Hey, it's Fred. No, Cody. I'm sorry. I went to Burger King yesterday and I ordered a double meat cheeseburger and like tater tots, and I was like, I said no pickles, no ketchup, no mustard, no lettuce, and like. I wrote, she's like, $4.95, pull up to the window. I was like, okay. And then, like, I pull up to the window and, like, I get and then,
that sucks.
Okay, you gotta start it again.
Be like, oh my god, I got so mad. My friend just crashed his dirt bike and I was scared or something.
No, dude, I'd be like, I pull up to Burger King